In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install QuickBooks Desktop. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks online account. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the QuickBooks products you want to work with. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. After opening the settings menu, select Get the Desktop app. This will take you to the area where you can begin downloading the desktop version. From there, choose Download for Windows if you're using a Windows computer, or Download for Mac if you're on a Mac. Be sure to select the version that matches your device, since the installation file is different for each operating system. Once you click the download option, give the installer a moment to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. It's a good idea to wait until the download is completely finished before moving on. Next, open the downloaded installer file. In most cases, you can find it in your browser's downloads bar or in your computer's downloads folder. When you open it, you may see an Open File Security warning message. If that appears, simply click Run to allow the installer to start. At this point, QuickBooks may ask you to sign in with your Intuit account. If prompted, go ahead and sign in to continue. This step helps verify your account and connect the installation to your QuickBooks Access. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to install QuickBooks Desktop. The setup wizard will guide you through the process, and in most cases, you'll just need to review the prompts and continue through each screen. Take your time here so you don't miss any important options during installation. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and launch QuickBooks Desktop. This is the final step, and it lets you confirm that everything installed correctly and that the app opens as expected. If it launches successfully, you're all set and ready to begin using QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. Thanks for watching.